Weft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today is gonna be a very interesting tutorial, but before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, it's been a long time since I applied any form of gel to my hair, but I've actually missed doing the slick bun style, so this time I decided to do it for you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to slick my 4C natural hair and how I was able to install this extension right here. Yes, it's a clip-in. It's like you just bring it out from the bag and then you just clip it onto your hair, draw the string, and that is it. Seriously. So as you can see, it fits my natural hair a lot. It actually looks as if it's my hair, you know. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this clip-in. This is a clip-in, and the clip-in is from Betterlength hair company. And they have a lot of Afro clip-ins and extensions over there. I'm going to put a link and everything that has to do with the clip-in in the description box below. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the clip-in. Like I said earlier on, it's from Betterlength hair company. So this is what the clip-in looks like. Very nice. And these are the clips. So before clipping it to my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and slick my natural hair first of all. So after slicking my natural hair, I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf and do my makeup. So now I'm done with my makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf. So I noticed it's not as dry as I wanted, so I'm just gonna use my blow dryer to blow dry it a little bit. And this is what it looks like. I can definitely work with this. Before I start the clipping, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize it first of all. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the clipping. Then I'm gonna fluff it out with my fingers a little bit.